In this video, I'll detail how to fix hotspot not working on iPhone. So if your iPhone hotspot is turned on, you can confirm this in the control center. When you see personal hotspot, then your personal hotspot should be discoverable. So if after your personal hotspot is discoverable on your iPhone, you then discover that the hotspot is not working whenever you turn on the hotspot on your iPhone, just like this, then in this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way and possibly the only way to fix hotspot not working on iPhone. So if I download this video, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first one to do is just go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on personal hotspot. Then make sure allow others to join is enabled. If allow others to join is enabled, then click on personal hotspot. Then make sure you turn on allow others to join. Then once this is enabled, this is going to allow others to join your personal hotspot on your iPhone. However, some devices will not be able to join your personal hotspot on your iPhone because of 5 GHz Wi-Fi strength or 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi strength. However, to allow all devices, both with 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi strength, to join your hotspot, you just need to scroll down. Then locate maximum compatibility. Then you can see internet performance may be reduced for device connected to your hotspot when turned on. Then once you enabled maximum compatibility on your iPhone, then all devices with 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz will be able to connect to your personal hotspot on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily fix personal hotspot not working on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.